Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to export a page in Notion. So from your home page, we're going to go over to the left-hand side and you're going to find the page that you want to export. So you're going to click on here. When you're finished editing and you're ready to export it, we're going to click in the top right-hand corner, the three dots, and a drop-down menu will show. So from there, I'm going to scroll down and you should see a section that says export. So from there, this little screen will pop up and you have a few options. So you can choose the export format. So I'm going to choose PDF and include databases. Do you want the current view, default view? And it asks you what content to include and the page format, and also scale percent. So when you're happy with all that, you click on export and that will export to your download folder. So that's how to export a page in Notion. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.